Are you looking to remove this annoying Powered by Shopify logo at the bottom of your website? Well, if you are, you're in luck. And the reality is most big brands don't have the Powered by Shopify logo, and it just shows their brand name and the year. First step, you're just going to go to your Shopify dashboard, log in, and make sure you have backend access. At that point, you're just going to go under Online Store and then Themes. You're going to go over to these three little dots here and click Edit Default Theme Content. Now, once you're here, under the filtered search items, you're going to want to type in Powered By, and it should bring up here this section that says Links, Powered by Shopify. Now, although this section is technically blank, it is just the default for Shopify to say Powered by Shopify. So all you need to do here is just tap the space bar, and then you're going to go ahead and click Save. And from there, we can go back to our website, do a quick refresh, scroll to the bottom, and as you can see, the Powered by Shopify is gone. If you found this tool helpful, definitely check out the description below, download our Shopify starter pack, in addition to signing up for our Ecom Freedom Shopify free trial course that covers the first 3 modules, just so you can take an insider look on the type of value you will get inside our community. So make sure to give me a like, thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video.